Oh my goodness. Look at all this mess. I had to replace a circulator pump, which means I have to drain the whole system, and then when I'm done, purge the air. I also had to replace that drain valve. So when I did it, I had to replace this one. I put in all new flanges with shutoffs for all 4 zones. It went pretty smooth. I also fixed up what they had done down here for the flange. Yeah, so that's all set. And then I brushed the boiler and changed the nozzle. That's what I've been doing for the last 6 hours. It's all done. All soldered in. Worked out well. No leaks. Nothing broke. All good. All the water's air's purged out.